First ball possession. Spanisher. Too strong. Rebound number 24. Supply. Number 27. Pass to number 23. 15 to shoot. Supply. Rebound number 14. 14 to shoot. Pass to number 20. 10 to shoot. Too strong. Rebound number 27. 5 to shoot. Supply.
Out of bounds.
Ayaw.
3 points.
Di pa kabalik sa hingal na, no?
Isa-isa kilig.
15 to shoot.
Ah,
Turnover.
so, tao ng tao.
Number 23. 23 with the ball.
Pagod na to sa katawa.
Pass to number 20. For 3.
Ay,
Too strong.
layo.
Foul basket. Who's fouled? First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw. Para number 14.
Ano ba sabi dyan, Re?
Complete the 3-point play. Official score 3-0 in favor of Uragon.
Hingal na, hingal na. Pagod na.
15 to shoot. Pass to number 36. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Pass to number 24. Attacks. Supply.
Hindi, di foul.
Who started?
Shot violation.
Foul number 14.
Hindi, yung number kasi ng makapit, Papa. Ate, alisin mo ka mo, book. Ikaw.
Miss the first.
Tao ng tawa.
Number 20. Number 20 with the ball. Pass to number 22. Karabini, violation. Turnover. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6, ready to play. Pass to number 24. 15 to shoot.
Wala.
10 to shoot.
Ay, ano ba yun?
Supply. Rebound number 23. 23 attack.
Diretso, diretso.
2 points para number 23. Official score 5-0. Uragon.
Bigyan din natin ng konti yun.
Number 6 with the ball. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 14. Supply.
Uy, pasa mo number 30. Ay, Re, ako pala yung number 30. Okay, number 30 dyan eh.
Pass to number 20 for 3. Too strong. Pass to number 36. 2 points para number 36. Official score 5-2. Uragon. Steal. Number 14. Pass to number 6. To number 14. Floats. Supply. Pass to number 5. 2 points para number 5.
Batin ka, ay, lalaki.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Score
Hindi na
7-2. Uragon.
Wala na lang nagis na malayo.
Number 24. 15 to shoot.
Tataba.
10 to shoot. Same ball. 6 seconds to shoot.
Bakit dalawang referee? Ay. Dalawang free throw. Isang nakan. Pag naka-foul, tanggal na. Kaso walang substitution. Kaya po yan dito, Ali. Walang sub. Walang sub sa sub.
Wala yung bola. Pahinga sila.
Ay, post ko nga muna.
Number 24. 5 to shoot. Traveling violation. Turnover.
Isang lang turnover. Philippines.
Number 23.
Uy, iwan.
Pass to number 27. For 3. Shot. 32 shot.
Di ba naman marunong kumano tumira? Ganun agad. Hello.
Ako? Walang oxygen.
27.
Ewan na naman siya.
Number 6. Number 6 with the ball. 15 to shoot. Number 6 for 3. Supply. Rebound number 5.
Tapos yan. Pasapan lang.
To Pandi. Number 6. 10 to shoot. Same ball. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Supply. Rebound number 5. Foul. Who started? Number 16. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Ate,
Number 14. 14 with the ball. Pass number 20. To 14. Too strong. Same ball.
dapat si Kuya.
Remaining time. 2 minutes exactly.
Ay, Kuya, ikaw nga mag-video mo. Di ba marunong ka mag-video? Kuya, video mo. Kuya, video mo. Nangangalay ang pag-
Uy,
Supply.
Attack bound.
Same ball. 14 on the shot clock.
Hindi, tatamaan.
Number 20. Personal 5. Too strong.
Sayang.
ay nawala. Ay,
15 to shoot. Number 16.
wala,
Supply.
mali.
Rebound number 27.
Zero pa rin sila. Yung kalaban. Number 0 pa rin. Uy!
Block.
Uy, 4 dapat yun.
Number 6. Pass on number 16. 1 minute exactly. 16. 2 points. Para kay number 16. 55 seconds.
Wala
50 seconds.
Isa pa.
15 to shoot. 45 seconds. Supply. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 15 to shoot. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Shot clock off. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Basa na maririnig nyo. End of the first quarter. Official score.